Hi, I'm Guy. Sort of as gravy on the potatoes for the episode I did about affiliate marketing, selling things for other people. This is the affiliate marketing guide for beginners. So if you're just starting into this, or if you've done it for a while even, take a look at this post in the show notes. If you go to the GuyerCookReport.podbean.com, look for affiliate marketing in 2021, a free guide for beginners. That's right, free. And smartblogger.com did this article and they've released it, and I think it's pretty darn good. I think you're going to like what you see there. The reason for that is, like I said, we talked yesterday about affiliate marketing and how important it is to have a plan, have an understanding. Well, this free guide is going to do that. It's going to take you a long step. And when you go to that show notes post, scroll down in the notes and check out the image on the post. It's a wrap.